In this video, I want to teach you how to clone your voice using 11 Labs. Now, the reason why I'm using 11 Labs right now is because I'm not really happy with my voice on HeyGen, which is the platform where you clone yourself and your voice also gets cloned. I don't like it. And I'm not kidding. Look, I'm on HeyGen right now, and this is the voice that was cloned.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
What was that?
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Is that how I sound?
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hello, hope you like this voice. And no, Superman, no. It's horrible. So that's why I have to do it in the other one. So 11 Labs seems to be very good. And the great thing about HeyGen, which I still think is a great tool, the great thing is that I can actually integrate 11 Labs with HeyGen. Cool? So that's the reason why. So all you have to do is to go to 11labs.io and you have to choose one of these plans. So you have a free plan, which is good. The starter one, which allows you to clone your voice. Now, I have personally subscribed to this package right now because it says professional voice cloning to create the most realistic digital replica of your voice, because that's what I want. Right? So you have to click on voices and then add a new voice design, instant voice cloning, clone a voice from a clean sample recording. So I got the video here and I'm gonna drag it right there. Okay, so the videos are too large. So what I had to do was to convert my video into an MP3 format, MP4 to MP3. And this is pretty easy. All you have to do is to go on Google and search MP4 to MP3 converter, and you'll be able to do it for free. So fingers crossed. I'm dragging my MP3 there. Perfect. It worked. So let me just write my name here. Auto from YouTube. Okay. So it's just 1 minute of me just talking on a video. Okay, so I'm gonna describe the voice now, and I'm gonna type a male in his 40s who speaks English with a soft Venezuelan accent. That'll do. I was gonna write my whole life story there, but anyway, let's just go with that and click add voice, and let's see. Okay, now I'm going to click here, personal, and as you can see here, it's already there. So I'm gonna click on that, use voice, click on use voice. Okay, now that we're here, we're gonna click on text to speech. It's already selected, and I'm gonna paste this text that I created with the help of ChatGPT. So generate speech. Actually, I'm gonna delete this because I'm sure it's not gonna say, and poof, it's not gonna do that. So I'm gonna delete it. I'm going to replace that with one trick from Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk, and your reach will plummet. So before I hit generate speech, I want to check this out, the settings. And what we have here, let me just move this to the other side. What we have here is we got the multilingual options here, which is very cool. I might use that to speak Spanish. No, I'm kidding. So we have stability, more stable, similarity, low, high, it says high, style exaggeration, none. I just put it on 7 just in case. And I'm gonna hit generate speech now. Let's see. I'm excited. Let's find out.
Social media is rented land. You're at the mercy of algorithm changes. Remember when Instagram decided you no longer needed to see your friends' posts in chronological order? Yeah, your business could be that friend's.
All right, let's just stop you right there, AI Auto. We have to improve that. Okay, so I have changed the settings now. So I have stability at 39%. and I have similarity at high, and I have style exaggeration at 3% only. So hopefully that'll do the job. Cool.
Social media is rented land. You're at the mercy of algorithm changes. Remember when Instagram decided you no longer needed to see your friends' posts in chronological order? Yeah, your business could be that friend's post. One tweak from Mark Zuckerberg or Elon Musk, and your reach will plummet. Let's get real. You wouldn't build your dream house on land you could be evicted from, right? So, why build your business that way? Your email list, on the other hand, is like owning your own patch of paradise. You decide when to send an email, what to say, and who sees it. No algorithm is going to mess with that.
Yeah. I do prefer that one. Now, as I said before, my plan is to integrate 11 Labs with HeyGen. And this is the voice that I'm going to use for now. And I'm saying for now because I don't know if you noticed, but here, when you go to my voices and I click on add a new voice, and as you can see here, we have this option, professional voice cloning. And that's what I really want to do. I want to clone my voice professionally. But for me to do so, I have to have at least an audio of 10 minutes of me speaking. And I don't have that right now. So for now, I'm just going to use the one that I just created. Now, all I have to do is to integrate 11 Labs to HeyGen, and I'm going to be able to create the videos that I want to create. But I will cover that in the next video. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, or let me know somehow that you're enjoying these type of videos, and I'll see you in the next one.